Another negative trait of the soul is desiring and striving for excess comfort in this material world. This can cause one to neglect their obligatory duties and striving in preparing for the hereafter. A Muslim should act on the narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6416. It advises that a Muslim should live in this world as a stranger or a traveler. The one who behaves in such a way will understand that this world is not their permanent home, so they will not seek excess comfort in it. They will instead strive to provide comfort for themselves in their permanent home, namely, the hereafter. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7417, that the world is really a prison for the believer. How can a Muslim then seek excess comfort in it? When one lives with the correct mentality, they will find comfort in this world through peace of mind, and prepare adequately for the next one also. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.